Welcome to our best channel Climax Tech Product Details. Name, Arlo Video Doorbell Vertical Line HD Video Quality, Two-Way Audio, Package Detection Vertical Line Motion Detection and Alerts Vertical Line Built-in Siren Vertical Line Night Vision Vertical Line Easy Installation Existing Doorbell Wiring Required Vertical Line ABD 1001 Product Features 1. See more at your front door. See a person from head to toe or a package on the ground with a 180-degree viewing angle. 2. See a clearer picture. Detailed video in HD with HDR ensures you see the details even in low light or bright conditions. 3. Respond quickly. Hear and speak to visitors at your door with clear two-way audio or respond with pre-recorded quick reply messages when you are busy. 4. Alerts that matter most. Receive notifications when motion is detected for people, packages, vehicles, and animals with included 3 months trial of Arlo Smart. 5. See events before they happen with Arlo Foresight. See video prior to every motion-triggered video recording, so you never miss a moment. 6. See who's there, even at night with night vision. 7. Weather resistant, built to withstand the heat, cold, rain, or sun. Product description: the Arlo Video Doorbell is designed to capture what traditional video doorbells can't. See a person from head to toe or a package on the ground with a 180 degrees diagonal viewing angle, optimized for the front door. Even see clearly in low light with night vision. Speak to visitors with two-way audio or use pre-recorded quick reply messages when you're busy. Arlo Video Doorbell uses your existing doorbell wiring for continuous power. The smarter way to see who's at your door. Get notifications when motion is detected and view live video on your phone. Get the bigger picture of what's at your door, from head to toe or a package on the ground. Even see clearly in low light with night vision. Speak to visitors with two-way audio or use pre-recorded quick reply messages when you're busy. Arlo Video Doorbell uses your existing doorbell wiring for continuous power. Welcome.